Hello, how are you? I hope you will be fine. We have to find the value of x. Solution: log 4 x plus 3 plus log 4 x plus 4 is equal to 2. Now here using formula log a b is equal to log a plus log b. Now log 4 x plus 3 and x plus 4 is equal to 2. Now changing into exponential form using log a b is equal to c is equal to becomes a raised to the power c is equal to b. Now using this formula, 4 square is equal to x plus 3 x plus 4. Now here 4 for the 16 and multiplying these two terms, x square plus 7x plus 12. Now by rearranging, x square plus 7x plus 12 minus 16 is equal to 0. Now x square plus 7x minus 4 is equal to 0. Here using quadratic formula, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 7, c is equal to minus 4. X is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now putting values of a, b and c, minus 7 plus minus under root 7 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 4 over 2 into 1. This becomes minus 7 plus minus under root 49 plus 16, minus the plus 4 for the 16,